React.js, developed by Facebook, is a powerful JavaScript library used for building user interfaces, particularly single-page applications. Let's dive into what makes React.js stand out. One of the key concepts in React.js is the use of components. Components are independent and reusable bits of code that serve as the building blocks for applications. They allow developers to split the UI into smaller pieces, making it easier to manage and debug. In addition to components, React.js introduces hooks, which let you use state and other React features without writing a class. Hooks like useState and useEffect simplify the process of managing state and side effects in function components, leading to cleaner and more concise code. Another core concept is state management. React's state mechanism allows components to create and manage their own data, which can change over time and trigger re-renders. This is crucial for maintaining dynamic and interactive user interfaces. Under the hood, React.js uses a virtual DOM, a lightweight representation of the actual DOM. When the state of an object changes, the virtual DOM updates only that object in the real DOM, enhancing performance and providing a smooth user experience. React.js also has a vibrant ecosystem and strong community support, offering a plethora of tools, libraries, and resources to help developers build sophisticated and efficient web applications. With companies like Facebook, Instagram, and Airbnb using React.js, it's clear why this library has become synonymous with modern web development. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, React.js offers the efficiency, scalability, and ease of use essential for today's fast-paced development environment. Join the revolution and start building with React.js today.